In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog in Canva website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a great starting point, tailor it to your style, and get your blog design ready inside Canva. Start on the Canva homepage. From here, head straight to the Templates section. This is where Canva organizes thousands of professionally designed layouts. Using a template is the fastest way to get a polished blog without starting from a blank page, and it helps you focus on your content rather than wrestling with layout from scratch. Once you're in Templates, use the search bar and type the word blog. This tells Canva to surface designs built with blogging in mind. You'll see a range of options, from minimalist looks to bold, image-driven layouts. If you have a particular vibe in mind, like clean, editorial, or colorful, this search is the perfect place to begin honing your aesthetic. Now take a moment to browse through the templates that appear. Click into any design to open a quick preview. Look for details that matter to you, the overall layout, the balance between text and images, and how headings and subheadings are styled. Pay attention to readability. Good blog templates make your content easy to scan, and consider how your photos will fit into the design. If you need to, flip through the templates pages to see how different sections like the home page, article pages, and about sections are handled. Choosing a template that's close to your vision will save you time later. When you've found one you like, click Customize this template. Canva will open the design in the editor, placing all the pages and elements onto your canvas. This is your working space, and everything you see can be adjusted. Begin editing the template to make it yours. Replace placeholder titles and body text with your blog name, taglines, and sample posts. Adjust fonts and colors to match your brand. If you have brand colors, set them so your design stays consistent. Swap out any stock images by uploading your own or choosing from Canva's library. Then use the crop and adjust tools to get images looking sharp and on theme. Rearrange sections by dragging elements, duplicate pages for additional posts, and delete anything you don't need. Use alignment guides to keep things tidy, and rely on undo if you make a change you don't like. Give your project a clear name so it's easy to find later, and take a final scroll to make sure spacing, headings, and links look consistent. That's it. Templates, search blog, browse, customize, and edit until it feels like your brand. You're ready to build your blog in Canva.